Hey, what's up, guys? Now let me just tell you how to download this PDF. First of all, let me just click on edit. Okay, so previously in our previous tutorial, this was the course PDF which was created by us. So now let me just go to my website. I will search for the PDF over here. I will say PDF. Let me just search on my website. Okay, so this is that PDF. I will say continue reading. And if suppose now I want to buy this or download this PDF, it will cost me 50 rupees, but I don't want to pay any money. So let me just scroll down below and change this to 0, and I will say update, and now I'll come over here and refresh this. Okay, so now price is 100. I will say add to the cart, and I will go to my cart. Where is that PDF? Okay, let me just remove all these products which were previously present inside of my cart. Okay, so now this has been done. I will click on proceed to checkout, and I will enter all my details, and I will say place order. Let me just pause this video. Okay, so now I have entered all my details, and this is the PDF which is available now. I click on download, and now my file has been downloaded. Okay, so this is how you can download your PDF, and it's really very easy and simple. And now if suppose now I'm going to my account, then over here inside of the downloads I can see the files which are downloaded by me, and it shows the product, and the name of the product is course PDF, and it shows that expiry date is never, which which we have seen how to put the expiry date. And if you want to download this over again, you can click on this and it will be getting downloaded over again. Okay, so okay guys, this is how you can spot your PDF file or the virtual downloadable file, and this is how you can add to the cart and download it. Thanks for watching.